a status error, providing them finishing touches on the old City Turbo. Love that thing. Yeah, man. Hello again. As you can tell, I am absolute pony at talking to this camera and to an imaginary person. You can be my audience, bro. But yeah, I've done a little V-dub wall so far of the bit of organisation. Seemed fitting because a V-dub curse in my life takes over this wall. Don't you agree, man? But yeah, basically, call to office, do a bit of paperwork, as you do, Mrs. Accountant. Honestly, sorting them receipts out as we speak. But yeah, Willie did a bit more. He's got his body in there. He's just a freaking headless Willie, of course. Cheeky status tag. Gotta be done. Boxes. Still got the mini one to build, but I've been putting it off. It's like little tiny cogs. It's probably not that bad, but I build these size for a reason. Easier on the stumps, man. But yeah, it just needs finishing off so it can be put there. Wall of lunch. But loving this little thing. Must admit, I got a cheeky steal on the net because I couldn't bring myself to unbox the brand spanking untouched one. And the Blitzer got the 92 and Riri 2010. Oh, it would be sacrilege. It's got everything with it, the old mechanical gubbins, and it is as was in the day. But you know this one's going team colours. It'd be rude not to. So I've got a clear spare shell, one of them, multiple sets of decals somewhere. Oh, one that. There's the end of one here. Oh, tit. There. 92 one versus Riri one. So I will keep an untouched body in a box somewhere. In one of these bloody boxes. But yeah, and then High Roller Edition. So that's I've been pissing about with. That turtle's got some new tackle. He's bloody over at moon with that keyboard thing. Best thing I ever got him. Nice thing, Ronald. Yeah. So far in the office of official paperwork and stuff that I really should be doing for the business. I'll crack on with it. I'll crack on. Yeah, man. Have a good day, dudes, and yeah, I'll keep trying to wing it and provide you with some naff entertainment with an absolute wally. I'll have a thing for making everything match. Peace.